Good morning, Sabaya. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to continue our lesson, which is the separation technique. Let's make a quick revision about what we have taken in the previous sessions. At first, the mixture can be of two types. It could be a heterogeneous mixture or homogeneous mixture. We have studied the separation of heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, we still in part one of the separation technique, which is the separation of heterogeneous mixture. The technique we have taken for solid liquid, okay, for solid liquid separation, we studied decantation, centrifugation, and filtration. For the separation of liquid-liquid heterogeneous mixture, we have studied decantation by separatory funnel, for example, oil and water. Now, what's about heterogeneous mixture, solid-solid? How we are going to separate them? هلا. Now we are going to make separation of a heterogeneous mixture, solid-solid. For example, iron nails and wood. Iron nails مسامير and wood هن قطع خشب مبروشين صغار. Okay. طيب. Propose a method to separate iron nails from wood. Okay. هلا many methods براسنا موجودين but the best method is to use the magnetic property of iron. Okay, the magnetic property of iron. هلا this type of mixture can be separated by a magnet. Okay, magnet هو المغناطيس. إذا any mixture which is heterogeneous solid and contains iron can be separated by a magnet. Okay, المهم يكون في iron. هلا ليش اعتمدنا المagnet؟ لأنه the magnet attracts the iron only and not the wood. We can make this separation. هلا we have a mixture. This is the mixture of heterogeneous mixture, which is iron nail and wood. When we approach the magnet near it, it attracts only the iron nails, and after the separation we will obtain the iron nails aside and the wood in another place. Okay, then we make total separation of this heterogeneous mixture, solid-solid. Okay, now we are going to start in part 2, separation of heterogeneous mixtures. sorry, homogeneous. خلصنا الهيتروجينيوس، هلا ما نعمل separation الهوموجينيوس mixtures. طيب at first salt and water. Let's take this example. We will start by heterogeneous mixtures, solid, liquid. Okay, for example, salt and water. Salt is the solid and water is the liquid. هلا salt dissolves in water. We will obtain only one phase. Then it is a homogeneous mixture. Let's think together how we are going to separate this mixture at home. Most of you will say we will put them on a Bunsen burner, يعني على الغاز اللي عندنا بالبيت. We will evaporate water and keep the salt. Okay, it's correct. This method we call it crystallization. Okay, we'll call it crystallization. Okay, هلا we put the mixture of salt and water. We can make it at home in a dish. بالبيت فينا نحطهم بركبة القهوة، فينا نحطهم بطنجرة صغيرة. شو بنعمل؟ بنولع الغاز اللي هو البنسن بيرنر تحتهم. هلا بنضل نغليهم لتنشف المي. At the end of this separation, water will evaporate and salt remains in the evaporating dish. Okay? هلا هيدي البروسيس وين بتفيدنا؟ هلا لاحظوا هيدا الدايجرام يلي هون يا صبايا، هون كيف بيستخرجوا الملح من المي، من مية البحر. شو بيجوا بيعملوا؟ بحطوا مية البحر بمسابح كتير كبيرة على هيدا الشكل. اوكي، وبالشمس يعني بينطروهم كذا نهار. الووتر will evaporate by sunlight، مش الووتر بتتبخر بالشمس. بيبقى عنا بقلب المسابح الكبيرة او احواض الكبيرة بيبقى عنا السولت. اذا الكريستاليزيشن اذا بنستعملها بحياتنا اليومية، كيف بنستخرج الملح من مية البحر فيها. اوكي طيب at the end of crystallization water evaporates and we obtain salt in the evaporating dish. crystallization summing up لهيدي التكنيك. إذن بالcrystallization the water evaporates and salt remains at the bottom of the flask. يعني يعني we lose water at the end of this separation, which is not my purpose. إذا أنا وياكم تعودنا يا صبايا بس ما نعمل separation I should obtain the two components of the mixture. يعني أنا ما المفروض أخسر شيء، يعني المفروض أحصل على water وأحصل على salt، بس الكريستاليزيشن ما بتساعدني. إذا next time رح نتعلم على طريقة نحافظ على المي ونحافظ على السولت. بتمنى الكل يكون فهمان صبايا and goodbye and stay safe for the next session.